Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the IP of your PC. It is useful for the users who need a fixed setup for some reasons, or in some companies where multiple PCs are communicating with each other through the IP addresses and they don't want to change the IP addresses of their working stations even if they restart their working stations, or even if they change the routers, or even if they change the network company. So by fixing the IP address, you can easily maintain the fixed setup for your applications. To do this, first we will see the dynamic address of our PC which was assigned by the router. Press the Windows key, open the CMD, just type ipconfig and press enter. This is the dynamic address for my PC which was assigned by the wireless router, and the subnet mask is this. So to fix the IP address, you can simply press the Windows key, go into the settings, go into the network and internet. To fix the IP address for the Ethernet connection and the Wi-Fi connection, have the same procedure. And for my Wi-Fi connection, I will go into the Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi I am using right now is ML2. It is connected. I am going inside this and just go down. Right now it is automatic. To make it fix, you can simply click on edit, change it to manual, on, write your fixed IP address here, .0.102 for example, and the subnet mask is the 255.255.0, and just press save. Now go again to your command prompt and type ipconfig. Now you can see the IP address for the wireless connection for this PC is fixed. Now it's same 192.168.0.102. So this is it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.